Namaste. Welcome to my channel Yoga with Sakshi. Today is day 16 of Power Yoga series. In today's practice, we're gonna flow, stretch and strengthen all in one. So don't forget to breathe during the practice and let's get started. We're gonna start gentle as usual, starting with toes, back straight and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Going with the entire ankle. 1, out, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotate other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep your back straight. Bring your leg up. Arms up. Hold. 8, 7. Keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Opposite arm up. Pull the foot from the outside, back straight. You can also bend the knee depending on your practice. Other arm back up and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale center, exhale down. Change other side, up and hold. 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Other arm up. Hold the foot from the outside, back straight and twist. 2 and 1. Inhale center, exhale down. Arms up. Exhale and forward and bend. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now, keeping your legs straight, try to bring your legs up. Hold. 7, if this is difficult, you can bend the knees or you can also keep your arms down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So keeping your legs there, go back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale up. Maximum up. Flex your feet and point. Flex, point, flex, point, flex, point and flex. Inhale, exhale, right leg down. Inhale, up. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale, up. Right leg down. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Right. Inhale, up. Left. Inhale, up. Right. Inhale, up. Left. Inhale, up. Right. Inhale, up. Left. Inhale, up. And stay there. Breathe. 3, 2 and 1. Hug your knees in and relax. Keep breathing. Now get your chin towards the knee. Extend the leg. Bring your arms to fist position. Hold. Feel that shivering. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down, breathe. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to bring your chin again towards the knee. This time we're going to move the legs up and down. Alternate. Up, flex. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In, breathe. 3, 2. Now this is the last one, so you're going to keep our arms back. Come up, legs stretch, arm back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. In, breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Now you're going to come up again the same way we came down and up. Hold. 8, 7, keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down, take your legs back. Chaturanga. Utmukha. Adhomukha. Again, Chaturanga. Utmukha. Adhomukha. Once again, Chaturanga. Utmukha. Adhomukha. Chaturanga. Utmukha. Adhomukha. Keep going. Chaturanga. Utmukha. Give me 5 more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Give me 3 more. Like this. Keep going. And back. Last one. Chaturanga. Utmukha. Adhomukha. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Adhomukha Virasana. Rest. And up. Come to standing. Now take 1 foot distance off from the mat. Keep standing side. You're going to bring your right leg up. Inhale up. Down to side. 1. Up. 2. Side. 3. Side. 4. Try to balance. Side. 5. Side. 6. Side. 7. Side. Use your core. 8. And side. Come center. Arms up. And stretch the leg front. Hold. Now you're going to go forward and come down. Feet back foot pointed, chest down. Take your leg back, bend the front knee, come to Warrior 1. Arm down, Parshva. Upper arm 90. Chest back. Keep breathing. Come up. Turn out your feet. Exhale down. Goddess pose. Keep breathing. Keep your knees back. Arm up. Stretch the leg and down Parshva on the other side. Up. Square your body to warrior one. Arms down, leg back. Hold. Bend your knee with control. Come up, legs straight. Arms on the waist. Same thing with the other leg. 1. Out. 2. Out. 3. Out. 4. Out. 5. Out. 6. Out. 7. Out. Keep breathing. 8. And out. Get your legs down. Inhale. Exhale forward. And stay. Take your arms front, take your legs back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Now from here, jump forward. Try to make less sound. Walk back. Jump forward. Walk back. Jump forward. Walk back. Jump forward. Walk back. Jump forward. Walk back. Keep breathing. Jump forward. Walk back. Jump forward. Walk back. Jump forward. Walk back. Jump forward. Walk back. Last one. Forward and back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha Virasana rest. Now come again into downward dog. Bring the leg forward. Come to Prasarita Padottanasana. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Take your arms back into log. Exhale, forward. Feel the stretch. Inhale, up. Give me some gentle twisting. So you're going to take your left arm to the right leg. Stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Come to plank. Just get your knee out to the elbow. Back. Twist. Back. Change. Out. Back. Twist. Back. Change. Out. Back. Twist. Back. Change. Out. Back. Twist. Back. Out. Back. Twist. Back. Change. Out. Back. Twist. Keep smiling. Keep breathing. Out. Back. Twist. And out. Back. Twist. Give me 2 more. Out. Back. Twist. Last one. Out. Twist. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Resting in Adho Mukha Virasana. And lie down on your stomach. Bhujangasana, feet together. Take your arms next to your chest, elbows back, shoulders back, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale 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 down. Inhale up and stay. Hold. And down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Lie down on your stomach again. This time take your arms back. Now you're going to bring your body up and legs up. Shalabhasana variation. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Inhale up and stay there. Exhale down. Flex your foot up. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Lie down on your stomach again and relax. Take the toes out. And breathe. Now, we're going to go for just a little fun, okay? We're going to try to move like in a seesaw. So if you can do it, great. Otherwise, just stay there. So you're going to bring your arms forward. Feet back, Shalabhasana variation 4. You're going to bring your arms up, legs up. And just move like a pendulum. 1. Like this. Let's try it together. Feet together. Arms out. Inhale up and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Down. Come up. Chaturanga. Urdhmukha. Adho-mukha. Relax in child's pose. Inhale up. Get legs straight again. Let's go for one more time. Hamstring stretch. Arms up. Back. Straight. Lengthen up. Exhale down. Stay there. Inhale up. Exhale down. We're going to go for Matsyasana. Now either you can sit cross-legged or you can come and sit in your lotus position like this. Both of the versions are correct. You don't have to worry about the legs. If you can sit like this, great. But if you can't, then just sit normal cross-legged. Now, you're going to open your chest maximum. You're going to try and come on your elbow. Here and back. Now get your legs, hips more in to extend the chest even more. Stay there. Now drop your crown down. Now drop your crown down. Hold the big toe and knee down. Release the legs with the elbow support. Release the arms and hug the knees in. Come up, arms up, exhale down. Let's come to the pose. Inhale up, exhale down. Come to Setu Bandhasana. Body down, arms down. Inhale up. Exhale 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 down. Last one. Inhale up. And stay there. Interlock your fingers at the back. Now feet together, knees together. Take your right leg up. And down. Change. Legs down. Release the arms. And come up, come to Balakridasana. Hold. Keep breathing. Legs straight. Hold the big toe. Both the legs straight. Go into Halasana. From here, come forward. Try to balance. Hold. Keep breathing. Legs down, arms up, exhale down again. Inhale up, exhale down. Come to your knees. Now open one leg, one arm down, one arm up. Exhale to the side, breathe. Open the chest. Inhale up. Exhale, sit down on your hip, arms up, exhale down. Inhale up. Come back on your knees. Other leg, foot forward, one arm up, one arm down, exhale to the side. Keep breathing. Inhale up, exhale, come to sitting. Inhale, lengthen your back, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Come to Baddha Konasana. Back straight. 5, 4, keep breathing. 3, 2, and exhale down. Inhale up. Cross your legs. Take your arm to the side. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center and change. Inhale, center, interlock your fingers. Exhale down. Inhale up. Release your arms. Release your legs. Relax in Shavasana. Try and relax completely on the mat. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Do that for a couple more rounds. Relax all the muscles mindfully and consciously. relax completely. Relax. Bring your awareness back to the center. Gently move your toes and your fingers, feet together. Right arm above your head, left arm onto the belly. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, come to sitting. Gently rub your palms. Once you feel the warm cupped eyes, gently massage your face. Release your arms in front of your chest. A gentle smile. Few blinks, open your eyes looking at the palms. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this session. Have a very good day ahead. Keep your practice up and be consistent in your practice. Thank you.